Side plank is a powerful exercise to build abdominal core and even shoulder strength. So make sure, a couple of key tips, your feet are flexed, pull your stomach muscles in nice and tight, and even squeeze your pelvic floor like you're pulling it forward, upwards towards your nose. So there are a couple of powerful variations in this exercise as well. One is you can bring your right knee down. So bring your right knee to the floor. That's it. Keep your left foot flexed. Perfect. And you can even open up your fingers, your right fingers a little bit more. Pull your stomach muscles in. Another powerful variation is actually bringing the left foot on top. So you'll extend the right leg, flex the foot, bring your left foot a little bit more forward. Yes, very good. Bring it forward so that you can press your left foot onto the ground. Nice. And then another variation is you can bring your hips to the floor. So your hips to the floor, yep, hips to the floor, but the activation still happens in the core. Glutes tight, pull your stomach muscles in, wrap your rib cage like you have a corset on. Very nice, stretch up. Perfect.